incredible equine facility on 114 acres in the highly desired area off of Yosemite Road. 12-stall barn west/paddocks, wash rack, tack room, and office. The large covered riding arena is amazing. Round pen, trailer bay storage, fenced and cross-fenced, seasonal pond, rolling hills, pastures and oak trees. The property includes a 1-bedroom/2-bath mobile, currently rented. Workshop west/ a newly updated apartment inside. 2 wells. 3-bedroom/2-bath home nearly finished construction, with open TC permit. Buyer to complete and pick own finishing. Approximately 2,200 square foot buyer to verify. Large second building pad with amazing views of the valley ready to go.